2022 is on the horizon, and what does that mean for the housing market? The housing market is a complex system with many variables. The first factor is the supply of available homes. Previously owned homes are hard to find and buyers are scrambling to take advantage of low mortgage rates. As a result, the number of available homes has dropped by 30%. The supply of homes for sale is now twice as low as the demand, which is causing a shortage. Adding new supplies is a challenge, but house builders are treading carefully. If you're new, consider subscribing as we post content daily to help you escape the rat race. Also, giving us a like is greatly appreciated, but no pressure. Back to the video. Another factor is the demand for housing. While prices may be rising, the fundamental demand for homes remains strong. Americans continue to strive for homeownership, making a more affordable housing market possible. In fact, a growing number of people are working from home. Whether it is an apartment or a single-family home, most people desire to own their own place. However, there are many limiting factors for affordability. Luckily, there are many ways to make your dream a reality. The supply of housing inventory is low. This means that home sellers don't have to cut their prices. The demand for homes is still high, and this means that they won't need to offer a huge discount to attract buyers. If you want to purchase a home in the first quarter, you'll likely need to pay more than the asking price. But if you're not willing to pay more than you can afford, you can always look into renting. The lack of available housing inventory means that prices will continue to rise. Inventories will likely remain low through 2022. While home prices will remain high, demand will moderate. That's why prices should continue to rise, and the market will stabilize. The current housing market is a buyer's paradise. With a growing number of homes for sale, prices will be higher, but prices will still be more affordable than they were in the last few years. The housing market is expecting to return to normal seasonality in 2022. Although demand has dwindled in recent months, the housing market has continued to show signs of life. This means that the price of homes will continue to rise, while rents will fall. The shortage of available homes will not be the end of the world. Until 2022, the housing market will remain tight, and even if prices do go up, the supply of homes will continue to be low. Despite the housing shortage, the supply of homes will continue to be low. Increasing prices will push down affordability. While demand will remain high, the supply will decrease, which will lead to a more stable housing market. While the availability of new homes will be tight, the number of existing homes will increase. With a limited supply, the demand for homes will continue to be high. This is good news for the housing market. During the next few years, the market will still be a seller's market. In addition to the short-term forecast, the housing market will remain tight. The shortage of homes is expected to continue until at least 2022. Meanwhile, the supply of homes will grow, and the demand for new homes will increase. During the next few years, the housing market will return to normal seasonality. Moreover, the Federal Reserve will gradually taper the supportive monetary policy. Nevertheless, the growth of new listings will be limited to the rental market. The housing market will remain tight in the short term. During the next few years, the housing market will see an increase in home prices. In the long run, the housing market will continue to become more affordable. A large portion of the new home buyers will be people of color. In fact, the majority of Hispanic homeowners will be Hispanic. In the next few years, Black home buyers will become the largest share of new homeowners. The median home price will continue to rise. This trend is positive for buyers. As long as prices remain low, there will be a shortage of properties in the lower end of the market. The median price will be affected by the type of homes for sale. For example, homes priced below $100,000 will be harder to sell than those above that amount. By contrast, homes priced over $1 million will be harder to sell. This means that sellers will need to increase their listing prices in the near future. Thanks for watching. Leave us a comment if this helped, and as always, please subscribe.